The Lord is my light and my salvation, so why should I be afraid? The Lord is my fortress, protecting me from danger, so why should I tremble? Psalms 27 verse 1. Okay guys, so this is how the wig looks when it first arrives. The knots are really small and I love that, and it's kind of pre-bleached. I don't know if you can see, there's a tint to the root. It's like it's pre-bleached. It's definitely pre-plucked. This is the construction of the wig. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pluck it a bit more, then I'm gonna come back once I'm ready to install the wig. Okay, so this is the wig on. When I had it out, I thought it was gonna be thinner, but the density is actually alright. I guess it's gonna get like flatter once I straighten it again, but it's actually really nice. And the quality, the color is meant to be that natural black, but this is given very dark. It's very dark and I like it. Okay, so I'm just gonna like hot comb. What I like so far about this wig is the fact that it's already what I like about this wig so far is the density of the frontal. Even though it's a small like parting space, you know, because now they have to give a really small parting space because they're like running low, like 13x6 and stuff, but this is a 13x4, but the density of the frontal itself is really good. Like, it's thick, it's really thick, but it's not like crazy dense. Like, this frontal, this is a large wig and I feel like this frontal just about fit my head. Anything smaller would have been a write-off, because my head is like, when I say my head, I mean like, I don't mean the cap size. The cap size is perfect, like that's even comfortable, there's a lot of space. But with the ear to ear, like here, this is literally where my hair is, and that's where the thing is here as well. It's literally on point. Anything more would have been finito. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to go down the middle, but you don't want to get too close to the lace. So as you can see, it's down the middle. This is a medium brown lace. I don't think it's HD, it's a medium brown lace. When I first got it, I thought it would be too dark, but there's still hope. Let's just be seeing. I cut it down the middle, then I cut the middle of that middle. Then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cut my ear tabs. Usually if the ear tab is very long, how it usually is, I will just go in and I'll make a parting, but because this this wig literally just fits me, I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace, because if I cut into the hair, it's gonna become short for me. So I'm just gonna go in and just cut off all the excess lace. Like so. And I'm just going to cut in a zigzag motion. You want to get as close to the lace, to the roots of the hair as possible, but try not to cut the hair. You want to get as close as possible, but try not to cut the hair. Maybe I'm going to zoom in for this one. I hope everything, like the lighting, is making sense, because I can't really tell. And I'm just going to cut. So you want to tug lightly and then cut in a zigzag motion. A lot of people use the eyebrow razors, but I feel like I have more control when I use the scissors, so that's what I'm going to use. So like that. As you can see, it's cut. I feel like the lace is going to cooperate, and I'm just going to do the same thing here. Zigzag motion. So just up, down, up, down, up, down. I don't know if I want to do the no baby hair look. I'm not gonna do the no baby hair look, man. I might go in with some foundation. I feel like this lace needs a bit of help. It needs a bit of help, so I'm gonna go in with some foundation after I cut the lace. So yeah, that's how the lace is looking once it's cut. As you can see, it's not like a straight line, it's jagged, and that's how you want it to be because it just melts better into your skin. I'm just gonna cut this side on camera so you guys can see. Okay, so that's how it's looking. It's looking quite good actually. And then I'm just going to take my elastic band that I used to lay down my wigs, and I'm gonna tie that very tight onto my head. This is just gonna melt the lace. If you don't have this when you do your wigs, I advise you get this because it really just melts the lace into your skin. The tightness just does something. It just does something that, you know, a normal like satin band or a normal scarf can't do. Okay, so I'm just gonna run my straighteners through the hair. Yeah, this hair is definitely darker than usual wigs that I have. This is on 200 degrees, and this straightener is from Amazon. Yeah, this hair is hilarious. Oh, bed. And this hair is straightening very, very easily. And I think I burnt my head. I'm just going to do one side so you can see the difference against the other side. This is how the hair is. This is how the hair is looking. This is how long it comes up to me. This is how far it comes up to me. And this is the density. The hair itself is super, super soft. This type of hair does not require a lot of product because it's already got a nice luster to it. And yeah, this is all the hair on this side, by the way. I do feel like it could be a tad bit thicker in terms of density. Okay, so now that I've straightened the hair, I'm going to go in and I'm just going to remove the elastic band. Okay, so now I'm just going to start creating the edges. Just want to pull them forward. Okay, so now that I've got the edges out, I'm going to cut them short. So I like to cut them around my eyebrow length, so like just the top of my eyebrow, and then I cut going upwards, so from this side upwards. Okay, so now I'm going in with the APHOGEE mousse, and I'm just going to use that to mold the baby hair. I'm going to take my wax stick by KERACARE and I'm just going to wax my hair down so it stays flat. Hot comb through, and the hot comb just basically straightens the root. It gets into the roots and it just lays everything nice and flat, and then a wax stick pretty much just holds it in place. That's why they're such a good combo together. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take off the band. Yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I'm pretty much happy with how it's looking. Now I'm going to take the MAC powder, because it's a bit lighter. I can use it in my part to just brighten up that part for me. This just makes an entire difference to your part. Everything just looks so yeah, that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm just going to show you guys the hair one more time. This is the hair. I'm 5'9". It comes all the way down to, let's say, my hips, and it's just so soft. It has a beautiful shine to it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see where I got this hair from or know more information about the hair, it's all going to be in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.